Okay, welcome to another episode of Brandon Cooks It All, or Brandon's Cooking Chronicles. So what I'm going to do today is attempt to make red velvet brownies. So here are the ingredients. Here are all the ingredients here. Half a cup of melted butter, some red velvet cake mix, 1 egg, some white chocolate chips, that's 1 cup, and some vanilla extract. Vanilla extract. Stir it up by hand. A little bit of water to it so you can get it some little consistency so it don't be so thick. Get that pretty red color coming out of there. Remember, it's going to be brownies, so remember, brownie mix is usually a little thick. White chocolate chips in there, and you don't stir it, you fold it. Make sure your pan, your 8x8 pan is oil. You don't want it to be sticking. Just put it in here like so. Smooth it out. Make sure it looks good there. Alright, pause it. Put it in the oven like so. And cook for about 20-25 minutes until it gets a little crispy around the edges, and take it out. Here's the finished product. Here's the finished product. We're gonna let it cool, and then we're gonna cut into it, and I'll have my judges taste it to see how it tastes. Here's the final product. Taste testers.
Hi. Hi.
Taste it. See what it tastes like.
Just here. It's good. Very good.
Really? What it tastes like? Yeah.
Like soft and
Soft.
chewy.
Soft don't have a taste.
Well, it tastes like very.
It looks more like a.
It's good.
It's kind of thick for a brownie, but
Mm-hmm.
but I guess it's kind of fluffy still. So.
Yeah, fluffy.
All right. Well, this is the red velvet brownie with white chocolate chips.